Hi everyone! In the past, I've shared with you what my top 10 favorite untranslatable Yiddish words are. But what about another segment of speech that is untranslatable from any language? Idioms and expressions. Today, I will be sharing with you 5 Yiddish idioms and expressions. Here we go! Es fuurt ra'dער. Literally translated, it's driving on wheels. But what does this idiom really mean? It means that something is really cluttered and messy. Das Haus fuurt ra'dער. This house is a wreck. Es hat nicht kein hent und kein fies. It doesn't have hands or feet. Sounds weird, right? We used to say, it doesn't make sense. For example, der Plan hat nicht kein hent und kein fies. This plan doesn't make sense. Sie fallen auf'n nuuz. To fall on your nose. And what could this possibly be referring to? It's a way of expressing how exhausted you are. You're practically falling forward onto your nose. Ich muss mich gerne ein bisschen ruplegen. Ich fall mamisch auf den Nuuz. I have to go rest for a while. I'm practically falling on my nose. Deine letzte papita soll doch sein farshimmelt. May your last sunflower seed be rotten. It's something you say when you're angry at someone and trying to wish ill will upon them. Let me explain. If you've ever eaten shelled sunflower seeds, a common food eaten on the Sabbath in the Yiddish-speaking communities, you've likely bitten into a sour one or two. The taste will remain in your mouth for hours afterward, and no amount of water can wash down the strong flavor of that tiny rotten seed. Although, if you quickly gobble down a couple of fresh seeds, it's likely to dampen the severity of that taste. When wishing someone that their last one is a rotten one, well, you've just dampened the having a bad taste in the mouth for the rest of the day. It's not quite like wishing bad health upon someone, or that something horrible will happen to them. It's just enough to get some sweet, and quite honest, unique revenge. Alle deine Zeine sollen dich arousfallen, gids ein, en jene soll weit. May all your teeth fall out, except for one, and that one should hurt. I think that this one is pretty self-explanatory. Again, it's ill-wishing, but perhaps a bit harsher, and just as creative. And there you have it, my top 5 favorite Yiddish idioms and expressions. What was your favorite one? Leave it in the comments below. And as usual, tak für die Dag, lihitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!